What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to prevent Free Fire from crashing on your iOS device. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. Open up the game and navigate to your settings. Here, in the Other section, select to clear your cache. This can be a cause for crashes if you haven't cleared your cache already. You can additionally reduce your graphics quality if you're using a mid-end device. Next, close the game and applications running in the background to reduce the amount of resources needed to run the game. When this is done, open up your settings application. Here, in the General section, tap on Background App Refresh. I suggest turning this setting off while in-game. Network-related processes can be a cause for crashes. Back in your General settings, select Storage. Here, make sure that you have enough storage left. I suggest leaving at least 200 MB of storage to keep a stable gaming experience. If nothing helped, then make sure that your device is up to date and restart your device if you haven't done this in a while. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.